Well, my project today is to build several trays for putting in microgreens. So we've got a lot of these tiles down in the lower mainland, and they are all, well, these ones are broken, but I'm going to use them anyhow for the project because these trays cost $2.70 some cents, the lowest price I've seen so far, and these tiles were less than that. So sometimes tiles are cold so they don't snap right, but I'm not worried about that because snap them on both sides. I'm going to put this in a better spot. And now it didn't work out too well. That's okay. We'll use it. I'll cut that with a saw. Put that up to the side. Try another one. What we got here is broken sides anyhow, so I'm not going to cut them. We'll utilize them as necessary. Okay, try again. This time, maybe I'll push a little harder and get this thing to cut my tile. Yes. Beautiful. Nice cut. Okay, that's that one. Now, all these trays are 20 by 10. So this is actually the inside of the bottom of a normal tray that I've got in the house, plastic tray. And of course I already cut one because I was trying to use it for something else. Now, once again, line her up and snap it. And there you have it. Complete bottom piece. Now, you say, how are you going to get these stones to stay in? Well, I'm going to make sides out of the tray as well. Ooh, smart, eh? Yeah, I know. Wasn't born yesterday. So, I'm just going to use this as a measuring thickness and make a quick mark. This thing will cut straight anyhow, so all I have to do is get part of a mark on there, snaps nice, and boom, I have one side of my tray. Now you'll say, how are you going to get these sides to actually sit on sides? Well, I'm going to use a thing called Lexel. It's a clear acrylic paintable fabric or paintable silicone caulking kind of thing, only non-silicone, and I think it'll be fine. Okay, there's two sides. Now I need two ends. Let's see what I got here. This is long enough, wide enough. And actually, it's pretty close. It's only going to make one though. So I got one over there too. Well, this will actually work for a bit. Yeah, you know what? Not bad. I'll take it. Sold. So, do the same thing. I'll measure again. And once I've got one cut, take it inside because it's going to be warmer in the house for now until this heater kicks in. This nice pellet stove heater that chop. Boom, one down. Oh, look, I have a spare. I can't get two out of it. Almost though. So again, I'll just make a quick reference mark. I have a lot of this tile, so if you don't have a lot of tile, well, I guess this video is not very helpful to you. Get this stuff. I'm going to be using it for other purposes as well in the same process. I'm going to use it for making these trays so that they can daisy chain together. I'm going to cut a hole on one side and one side the other side, and then I'm going to have water flowing through a bunch of them at the same time at some point. Right now, just doing this. So, we have all the parts. Take it inside and we will warm it up and glue it up. And so now I'm going to be inside here, warm and dry. Letting this stuff warm up a little bit. It's kind of cool touch. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape it all together so that it's at least in place. And then I'm going to probably use this Lexol product. Works pretty good. It's tough elastic sealant for every job. So first of all, I have to make sure I have my smooth sides up in this situation. Hopefully I cut these long enough, overlapped them a little bit. Look at that. Silicone it, I'll just double check. And it looks as though 16 degrees. So, first things first, start the process. Make sure that my Lexol is flowing. Yeah, that looks pretty good. And then afterwards, it's waterproof. And it's sort of hard and super rubbery. This stuff doesn't do that. It hardens up pretty good, so that'll solidify this a little better. This is really not a visual thing. This is basically a structural and waterproof thing. So now I got it on my fingers, so I'm going to wash my hands. So anyhow, so what we got is I've done the inside around all the joints, and we'll let that dry overnight. You know what? What we have here is just a quick view of what I've got going. Microgreen growing station. That changes lights out because they are actually not off-road, but they do turn the plants green, so do something right almost. Yeah, I just scavenged that out of a heater I had, one of those ceramic heaters. And as you can see, these are the plastic. I guess there must be a real high desire for them right now. So anyhow, and we're going to cut another one. Actually, maybe a couple. So. The optimum size was 19 3/4 for the base. So I'll mark 19 3/4. Let's make 19 3/4. Take off this one end. Again. See how they work. Okay. Just out of duct tape, almost. Anyhow, here's what I got left. So once again, trying to get all even height. This is not working, so this tape's too flimsy. Okay, so there we have it. So, this is day 2 of the tray build for microgreens, etc., etc. So, we'll just check these out, see how they're doing. They look solid. Yep, they're. I'll just drill some holes for drainage in some of them, and some of them I'll leave solid. Here I put a little couple of braces just because it was sort of tipping inward. So that's it. So there we have it.